Hello everyone and welcome back to The Perfect French with Dylan. Today we're gonna learn 20 New Year's resolutions for 2020 and I'm going to give you my 5 New Year's resolutions for 2020. Don't forget that this week's video on Monday we saw 25 expressions with faire, actually 26 because somehow in the video I found another one, so makes it to 26. Yesterday we saw 35 words starting with B. Vocabulary word with sentences as example. I'm gonna put the link in the description box. All the video that I'm gonna talk about in this video are all going to be in the description box, so you can go and check for whatever you want. First, how do we say New Year's resolution in French? We say une bonne résolution. Résolution. Une bonne résolution. If you have more than one, des bonnes résolutions. So in English you say, in 2020 I am going to. Well, this is the same thing in French. En 2020, so 2020, je vais. We use the verb to go as well, the same thing as you. If you don't know how to conjugate aller, to go, you can learn it easily, but for now what you have to know is that every verb after aller, to go, is going to be the verb without any conjugation, so that's quite easy. And it's the same for you in English, it's not hard at all. So I am going to do something. Well, you don't conjugate to do, never. What is the same thing here? Je vais faire. Faire. So we don't conjugate the verb after aller. Makes it incredibly easy. En 2020, je vais faire plus de sport. Je vais faire plus de sport. So means I'm going to work out more. Or if you're not working out at all right now, you can say en 2020, je vais reprendre le sport. Reprendre le sport. Start again. This one, a really important one. En 2020, je vais apprendre le français. Je vais apprendre le français. Or you can say, en 2020, je vais améliorer mon français. Améliorer mon français. En 2020, je vais regarder moins la télévision. So we have plus and then we have moins. En 2020, je vais regarder moins la télévision. Numéro 6. En 2020, je vais me coucher tôt tous les jours. En 2020, je vais me coucher tôt tous les jours. En 2020, je vais lire un livre par mois. En 2020, je vais lire un livre par mois. Numéro 8. En 2020, je vais passer moins de temps sur les réseaux sociaux. En 2020, je vais passer moins de temps sur les réseaux sociaux. Numéro 9. En 2020, je vais écrire un journal. En 2020, je vais écrire un journal. Or maybe, en 2020, je vais boire moins d'alcool. En 2020, je vais boire moins d'alcool. Or maybe, en 2020, je vais boire moins de café. Moins de café. Or maybe you're going to make it at home, so you don't go to all those, expensive Starbucks and you save some money. Then if you drink less alcohol and less coffee, en 2020, je vais boire plus d'eau. En 2020, je vais boire plus d'eau. Now let's talk about the food. En 2020, je vais manger plus de fruits et légumes. En 2020, je vais manger plus de fruits et légumes. Or, en 2020, je vais manger plus équilibré. En 2020, je vais manger plus équilibré. So why do I say plus équilibré? This is how we read in French. So I have a video, I'm going to put it in the description box. But because plus ends with S and équilibré start with E, when we make a link, plus équilibré, équilibré, je vais manger plus équilibré. Numéro 15. En 2020, je vais commencer la relaxation. En 2020, je vais commencer la relaxation. Or maybe you want to be focused on your finances. En 2020, je vais dépenser moins. En 2020, je vais dépenser moins. Or maybe you're worried about the environment. En 2020, je vais recycler plus. En 2020, je vais recycler plus. And in the same thing about the environment, en 2020, je vais utiliser moins de plastique. En 2020, je vais utiliser moins de plastique. Numéro 19. En 2020, je vais passer plus de temps en famille. En 2020, je vais passer plus de temps en famille. Or, en 2020, je vais adopter un chien, un chat, au refuge, at the shelter. En 2020, je vais adopter un chien, un chat, au refuge. You can also share yours with me on the comment section. Try to make it in French. If you give it to me in English, I'm going to translate it for you. But maybe you can try and I can correct you if there is any mistake. So, en 2020, je vais, etc. En 2020, je vais. Try in the comments. My 5 New Year's resolution. The first one, en 2020, je vais reprendre le sport. Reprendre le sport. I used to do a lot, I used to work out a lot, and lately with my business, with the book I'm writing, which technically when you see this video, the book should be out. So check the description box because there is probably a link out there for my book. So with all that, it's just really hard to decide when you have to cut your work and go actually work out or something, or if you have to keep working for 16 hours a day. Numéro 2, and I'm quite ashamed of this one, don't judge me. En 2020, je vais sortir plus de la maison. En 2020, je vais sortir plus de la maison. So, before starting my business and especially doing video on YouTube, I watch a lot of videos on YouTube. You know, everybody watch a lot of videos on YouTube. And I saw a lot of videos about YouTubers talking how they don't really leave the house. And I say, that is not going to be me. This is not going to be me. I like to go outside, not going to be me. At the time I'm recording this video, I haven't been outside for 4 days. 4 days. I have to go grocery shopping tonight, so I'm gonna go, but I haven't been outside for 4 days. My camera turned off, so I hope the sound and everything is gonna be the same. I'm sorry for that. Resolution number 3. En 2020, je vais manger plus de fruits et légumes. En 2020, je vais manger plus de fruits et légumes. it also has to do with my business. I don't really have time to cook for myself or to make really good food, good meal, so I quite eat, really quickly all the time, and it's not that good. So I'm gonna make a point to eat more veggies and more fruits. Number 4, I'm not sure if it's a resolution or a goal, actually, maybe one, maybe the other. En 2020, je vais développer mon business. Développer mon business. I have a ton of great ideas. I'm gonna share it with you on a quick video one of those days, probably in 2020. I'm going to let you know what's gonna happen during the year. If you're interested, it's gonna be a short video just to explain what the Perfect French channel is going to be about in 2020. And this one is also probably a goal, but it's gonna really help me for my resolution number 2. I want to adopt a dog. Rescue a dog, more exactly. I want to go to the shelter and adopt a dog when we have our definitive place, because we are not right now. So as soon as I have that, I'm gonna adopt a dog, because I work at home. How great is it for a dog to be with someone all the time? I mean, it's awesome. So I really want to adopt a dog, and that's also going to help me so much to get out of the house. I mean, you have to walk your dog, right? So you go like 3 times a day, rain or shine or like cold or hot, you have to go walk your dog. So it's gonna get me out of the house. And that's it. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, share with me your New Year's resolution in French in the description box. If you can't do it in French, I will translate it for you from English. I only speak English and French, remember. If you can try to do it in French, I will correct it if there is any mistake. If there is no mistake, I will let you know that there is no mistake, so leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to learn or to get better at French in 2020 if it's your goal. You can connect with me on my Instagram, my Facebook page, my YouTube channel. I answer every single comment I get, and I will see you soon for another lesson.